university starting tomorrow already. I don't know why I'm dreading this whole bit. Like, it's my final year now, and I should be excited to spend whatever leftover time I've got in university. Dreading it. The only thing that got me excited is that I'm dressing up, but then I realized that we have surgery ward, so we're dressing up some scrubs. And then I also realized that a year and a half ago I bought these scrubs, like, oh, I'll wear these new scrubs on my first day to final year, so I'm gonna just pull those scrubs out. Let's go. Okay, we're here in time. Let's go. There are just too many stairs. Stamina muk gaya hua hai stairs chadne ka. It's sort of nice seeing people. You've been waiting to step over here since a year and a half now. Okay, so we just took our lecture. Felt good. Now we're gonna have wards up to 2 p.m. so we're gonna head there.
Yeah, these ones are like...
Used as well?
No, like the shoe cover and the...
Yeah, go ahead. In our caps and our shoesies, let's go. Day one done. Woo! A little blood splatter on my face, and I thought it was raining. I don't know why I thought that, but it was blood splatter, and I went like that, and I was like, ah! Now I need sanitizer to sanitize my boots. Want to? Yeah, I need to. And we'll stay in the class and see if we have any more things to review, and then we'll head back. Yeah, we just got done a little early.
We learned about general anesthesia and we learned about CVP.
What about general anesthesia? Did you learn?
Everything.
Yeah, A to Z, from induction to maintenance to reversal and extubation. Did you like it?
I do like anesthesia.
Future ophthalmologist / anesthesiologist / GP. In short. I liked it too. It's pretty chill, but at the same time, when it's time for action, it's time for action.
Yeah.
So that adrenaline's there too. Come on. Guess we'll have to run. I don't have my sun cream on, so it was a good day. Super hot, so we decided to have a little ice cream, and then hopefully traffic's a little less and we can go back. Gotta cross the road now. Don't hit me, bro, don't hit me. Okay. We got our goodies. Yep.
Überhalt, wenn wir